everybody. I got a little box of Jolly to show you today. This is the 2023 Jolly box from Fat Quarter Shop. You have to pre-order it. So I'm not sure if they're still available. It's one of those boxes you have to pre-order. But if you want to get it for next year, if they're out, maybe you'll know what's in it if you would like to get one. So 2023 Jolly Box. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And we have another promo code. Ooh, and we've got 20% off Christmas fabrics. That's a lot of yummy. Okay. So this year we have a, let's set that aside. That's save the best for last. All right, well, here is a 50 weight Orifil gray 100% cotton Mako thread, $13.98 value. You can always use this. This is a good neutral. It's a little darker, but this would be really good to blend in if you want to quilt it at home, or if you're quilting with dark fabrics and you don't want your white to show through. This is really good for that. And I'm not sure, because I already opened it, but I didn't open it. I just had to do a little peek. This is, let's see what it says on the guide. This is a Bowen Christmas crackers. Value $11.48. And it says these crackers are the perfect gift to surprise and delight all quilters and sewists. Made in France. Woo! Bonjour. It says it's a combination of hand sewing needles and 80 red and green Murano glass head pins. Now, those little pins I showed you on the other one, those little glass head pins that came with that magnetic case. Oh, look at this. Super cute. I love them. So let's see if I love these, because they're just small enough that when you pin, it doesn't bulk up your fabric. Oh my goodness. What do we got? What do we got? I don't want to. Let's try this way. Okay, so 3x9 sharps sewing. I don't do hand sewing because I don't like it, because I don't know how. If I don't like it and I don't know how, I'm not going to do it. But sometimes you need it just for little things, just to stitch up little things. And I like the packaging, so that will definitely go with my needles. And let's see if I can get these glass head pins out. Oh yes, they're little bitty. You can see the size difference if you know what size this thread is. That's perfect. I love these little bitty ones. Bowen. Am I saying that right? Boheen? I don't know. But that, they're green and red. And I will definitely add those with my collection. Then we have Quilt As You Go Jolly Gingerbread Pot Holders. And you can use your fabric, of course. It has a go die cutting instructions if you have an AccuQuilt. So that'll be really nice. I just don't see paying the money for an AccuQuilt. I don't know why, but I have a June Taylor strip measurement, strip ruler, and I think it's perfect. I can cut something out on my Cricut if I want to. I'm not buying an AccuQuilt. This is a $9.98 value. And it is just basically, you can make, looks like 2 pot holders. And it takes 4 to 5 fat quarters. Well, that's super cute. I like that. Oh, look at that little, can you see that little binding around that little green and red polka dots? That's super cute. I like that. Okay, and then we have, oh, an enamel charm candy Christmas. These are always, you can use these as zipper pulls. You can put them on your purse. You can do whatever you want with them. Put them in your hair, I don't care. This is Candy Christmas enamel zipper charm valued at $10.98. Now this box come out to be like $55.98 with a deposit. If you're curious to how much the box is, you pay a deposit, and then when they go to ship your box, then they take out the remaining balance. And they run a little bit more than the Sew Sampler. And here is our quilt pattern. It is a, let's see, Christmas candy dish quilt pattern. 52.5 by 52.5. So we're going to need 2 3/8 yard of denim background and borders, if that's what you like, that color. Which if you got, I don't know that white's going to be very well, but you could use green. Well, I see why they did the blue, because you don't want to mess up your green and red. So maybe gray. I wouldn't like that, but I think it's cute how they have it. I like that backing. And they've got it quilted really nice. And these patterns they're pretty easy. I can't show them to you, but they're fairly easy on the patterns to make. So now to the good stuff. It's the fat quarter, and this fat quarter bundle. And this bundle it's by Riley Blake Designs, Holiday Cheer by My Mind's Eye. It's an 8-piece fat quarter bundle. So let's get into the good stuff. Yeah. It's all what we want. It's all about the fabric. All about the fabric. Because you know when you're sewing and you're making something, it might not be for you, and you don't like the fabric, it's really hard to finish. It's just really hard to finish a quilt if you don't like the fabric. So I hope you like Christmas fabric, because this is Christmas fabric. There's your gingerbread man. I like this one better. I don't know why. I'm not digging that green and brown. I think it's brown. I don't really like brown. I love this color. It's one of my favorites. I think it's brown. I don't like brown. But I'm just a picky girl. Let's see. Now this one, I think it looks a lot cuter for some reason. Because I'm a weirdo. I really like that one. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we have all the goodie stockings. It's the stockings with the reindeer and the candy canes. A Merry Christmas. Holly Jolly. Oh, now that's super cute. Look at that. It's got little ornaments on it. I like that. I really like that. Now, you could make that and use your Cricut, cut out the fabric, and applique on there. Am I going to do that? Well, probably not. I might. You never know. Let's see. Then we have the green Christmas trees. Let's see if I can get this laid out for you. That's really nice. I like that. Old-fashioned Christmas trees. That's really nice. This box is going to flip over. I'm going to do some holding on the box. And then we have some Merry Bright, La La Fa La La Holiday Cheer, Jolly Peace, Jingle Joy. Now that can always go with pretty much anything Christmas right there that you have. And then you have your wreath. This looks very old-fashioned. So if you like old-fashioned Christmas prints, this would be perfect for you. It's the, let me tell you what it is again in case you do want to get it. It's the Holiday Cheer Fat Quarter Bundle by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs, in case you like old-fashioned Christmas. Which will be really cute for those pot holders, though. Oh, we got the old-fashioned ho-ho. Old jolly old ho-ho man. Santa Claus, Santa Claus. It's nice. And this is that binding that I liked around that pot holder. Yep. And that's it. So for this box, it come to when it was taken out, $55.55. So we have 8 fat quarters. You have your pattern. You have the Crackerdale Knoll with the pins and your needles. You have, these little things are expensive. I have to remind myself of how expensive these things are. To me, it's expensive, $10.98, but it's enamel, so it's really cute. We'll put that. And let's see what else we have. We have your Quilt As You Go pot holders. So tell me, and oops, don't forget, we have a full size. This is full size. It's not the little ones you get in the sew sampler, because the sew sampler you usually get the little, you know, these are, I think, let's see how many yards they are. 1,422 yards, and these are expensive too, $13.98. So your value is there if you pay retail for anything. Your value is absolutely there. Am I happy with this? Are you happy with this? I think I'm getting spoiled on the sew sampler boxes. The sew sampler boxes have been so awesome that for some reason, I don't know why I expected more. I understand it's 8 fat quarters, but we got 9 fat quarters in our sew sampler last month. Or for November we did. We got 9 fat quarters. This is 8 fat quarters. And it's, you know, a jolly box. It's going to be Christmas. You don't get the full thread like I said before. You get a pattern. We've gotten these in the sew sampler. I honestly think the sew sampler box is starting to spoil me. I don't know why. I was expecting more, but yeah, getting spoiled on them sew samplers. And the sew sampler is $37 a month, and this was $55. So yeah, I feel like I was just expecting a little bit more, but that's just me. I still love everything in it. I'll add it to my stash or use it. I think I'll make these pot holders. I don't know if I'll have enough to make. No, you need the whole 8-piece for the whole 8-piece bundle for this quilt if you're going to make this quilt. I have so many Christmas quilts I haven't made. I'm not sure I'm going to make that. I would probably make the pot holders before I make this Christmas quilt. So you tell me what you think. Do you like it? Is it enough for you? So let me know in the comments below. I'll try to bring y'all some more content. I've got to get you the next quilt box blocks done for the quilt bee. If you agree with the value of this box, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like and a thumbs up and subscribe. And you guys have a great Christmas, happy Thanksgiving, and happy holidays. See you again soon.